Welcome guys, good morning, welcome to the Legal Garage. So we're gonna do a little mod on the Toyota today, on the Toyota Tacoma. I wasn't planning on doing this now or so soon, but I found these OEM Toyota running boards on Facebook Marketplace for almost free. Some guy just took it off his truck because he didn't like him, or he bought a replacement, so he was just basically giving them away. So I snatched him right back. I snatched him up right away, and I'm gonna install him on my stock Toyota TRD off-road. So the first thing I did was remove these little plugs. From here, right here, the other one's over there, then two more in the middle and two more in the back. The guy didn't give me the hardware because he said he put it right back on his truck, but no big deal. I'm gonna use even better hardware than what came with. So I got stainless steel bolts. They are metric 8 millimeters by 125 millimeter thread size and 35 millimeter long. These are from McMaster. These are the ultra high strain super corrosion, so these are not cheap. They're like $10 for each bag of 5. That's the part number if you wanna, if you're doing the same thing as I did. And then I didn't wanna use just regular split lock washers, which are pretty much garbage. So I'm gonna use the Norlock. These are also not cheap. They're also like $20 for a bag of 5. But this is much better than anything else on the outside on the market. These are never gonna come off unless you want to. They are never gonna come off with vibration. They are stainless steel also, so they're not gonna rust, and they're always gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna start installing the passenger side on my truck, and then I'll bring you guys back with the results. So here's my setup. I got the passenger side running board. I got a hydraulic jack on the bottom to lift it up. I got my stainless steel bolts, my Norlock washers, which you guys already know how these babies work. I use them on my Cobra throughout the build of my Cobra, so they're pretty nice. So I'm gonna start lining up the bolts. Oh, and I also got some anti-seize to put on the threads to keep it from seizing up into the truck. Use preventative maintenance. So we're gonna start on that, and I'll bring you back on the final result. And there it is, guys. So basically free running boards from Facebook Marketplace, brand new. I just spent like $40 in hardware, on the stainless steel hardware, and the Norlock washers.
But I'm not okay with that. We're not okay with that. It doesn't look very good in our
20 minutes each side installing it. I think they look pretty good. Usually the TRD off-road doesn't come with running boards because of the departure and approaching angles and all that for off-roading, but I'm not going off-roading. So this piece, if it's perfect on my truck, and it's gonna save some wear and tear on the seat, because right now all I gotta do is drag my ass on the edge of the seat. So now I can just put my foot and jump on the seat of the Tacoma. Like I said, they are the stock OEM running boards, so they're solid. They're not going anywhere. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you wanna see my other videos about my Cobra over there, watch my other videos. Thank you. This is the Illegal Garage. Bye.